this little album for one of our friends. It's really cute. It's like so she took like a 6x6 paper pad and used it to make this little album, and then these are little cutouts that we just printed. This is what the back looks like. This is the top. Now let's open this. This album fits 45 photos. I think you can fit up to 50, but we kind of ran out of photos too. So you can fit 50 photos into this little mini album. This one has 45. There's still spaces to put more, especially in here and here. One or two even photos. So yeah, if you would like to see one, comment down